So this is the charge point, correct? It's the charge point, HomeFlex electric vehicle charger.
Yeah.
And what I did was first I mounted the actual unit, and then I put connected these wires. This all came with the with the unit. And what I had to do is get some 60 wire. As far as material, I had to do is get the 60 wire and a 50 amp breaker, and I hardwired it straight to the breaker panel. You don't use the neutral because neutral's ground. You just hook up the grounds together. So that's just taped off right there just for safety. And yeah, that's basically all I did. I mean, it should be working. I mean, we're gonna test it out after this. It's just updating the software currently. So now that everything is wired up, this is the charge point, and that's the plug. Everything's wired up and labeled. It's a 50 amp breaker, 60 wire, 240. We're gonna test it out on the car. Charging?
Pulsing blue means I'm charging.
Pulsing blue means charging. All right. Everything's all said and done.